Hi, thank you for visiting Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Biswas and today I am going to teach you Thalapathy Vijay O Gymkhana signature step from Beast movie. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Let's start. So guys, it start with descent. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. When count 3, 4, then it turn to switch back. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, turn. Okay, 1, 2, just went like that. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, next step. 1, 2. Just like that. Just like 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it? Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, when you do this step, then slightly jump. Okay, slightly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start it from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thalapathy Vijay O Gymkhana signature step from this movie. So please hit the like button and comment me on the below comment section. Thanks for watching.